We are in December now, and yes, it is the start of meteorological winter. And yes, obviously, as the days are getting shorter, we move through winter, it's going to get colder and colder because that's what happens every year in winter. But there are some early warnings that this winter in the UK is going to be colder than the last few winters, which have been very, very mild. So if you've been not really protecting plants over winter, or you're new to growing sort of exotic plants that are on the borderline and you've not had to protect them before, this winter may be the winter that you actually want to go the extra mile and protect plants or bring them in, because we are looking like we're going to get a pretty cold middle and end of December. I'm not a weather expert, but I do listen to lots of weather experts out there on social media, etc. And the signs are looking like, the models have been run a few times, and we're looking like we're going to get a pretty cold month as we move through into December. So it's definitely now, this weekend, the next sort of 5 to 7 days, I would get out there, protect plants that you've not protected before, that you've read about as being borderline, if you live in areas where you're going to get cold weather. Obviously, if you live on a coast, you live somewhere tropical, if you're watching this video on the other side of the world, then obviously you don't need to do that. But if you're living in the UK, especially inland, I would protect plants you may have not protected before, because it's going to be pretty cold. It's looking like it's going to be pretty cold as we go through December.